If you bought an Otterbox Defender or Defender Pro phone case, it comes with a belt clip that actually operates as a kickstand and also could spin. They did not mention this on their website or in the manual, so here's a quick video on how to do it. You'll need to apply some pressure because it is tough in the beginning. It doesn't want to spin, but you could apply pressure and move it 360 degrees. And it doesn't move easily, so you can't move it accidentally. And then there's another feature where you could have it as a kickstand. So here you need to push it all the way open until you hear a click. It's a bit hard with holding a phone. So I'm going to push it down. And there you hear a click, and then it snaps into place, and now it's stuck in open position. You could still move it 360 degrees if you want. And then you could hold it on the side and have like the phone as a stand, or if you're watching a video, like that. To take off the clip, you hold down on this, and then it snaps back closed. And that is how you use the Defender belt loop.